Hello, everybody. My name is Charles Rather, and today I wanted to talk about some of the advantages, disadvantages, and differences between E-2 and EB-5. What is the difference between these and which option is best for you? E-2, first of all, is a non-immigrant visa, meaning it's issued for only a limited period of time, but you can extend it without any kind of limitations as many times as necessary, provided, of course, that you still manage and operate your business and it has, promising operations. It's generating some profit. It's not a dying, bankrupt entity. First of all, the investment level is relatively low. You only have to invest about $100,000 into your business, which you have to have at least 50% of. So for an E2, you have to have a controlling stake in the business. You could buy an existing one, or you could invest in a brand new one. But again, that investment of about $100,000 is necessary. One of the other limitations is the country of origin. So not everybody can apply for an E2. You have to have a corresponding passport. So we'll include in the description below a link with a list of all the corresponding countries that can qualify for an E2. The other option is EB-5. Now, EB-5 has a lot of advantages compared to E2, but it also has some challenges as well. So what are the first challenges? I would say the investment amount. It's not 100, it's at least $800,000. So that's a significant jump. Other challenge is the timing. EB-5 is not fast, although they have made it faster, and it is much faster than it used to be. The other thing with the EB-5, though, and maybe the biggest advantage of the EB-5, is it's a direct path to a green card. Now, theoretically, you could get a green card starting with an E2 through the EB-5. What am I talking about? You could start with the E2, invest, say, $100,000. Let's say you reinvest a lot of money, you expand the business, you invest another $700,000, so that after some period of time, you've invested $800,000. At that point, you could theoretically apply for an EB-5 as long as you also hire 10 people. Which of these options is best for you? The short answer is it really depends on you and family situation. Clients very often start with an E2 if they have a qualifying passport because it's relatively fast, requires less of a commitment, and they have the opportunity to get here to the U.S., start living here, and start, getting acclimated, see how much their family likes it. And if they do like it, then shortly thereafter, they might get started with the EB-5 to get things going with the green card and not delay things with that. If you have any questions about these options or others to make your relocation to the U.S. as successful and smooth as possible, please reach out to us. We've got more than 40 years of collective experience helping clients such as you managing their transition to the U.S.